Hi guys, this is Derek. Welcome to my channel. This is a kind of grip for forklifts. Can you guess its purpose? Let me explain it. It may be quite unique. On construction sites in China, large amount of steel pipes are needed to build scaffolding. When loading, unloading, and transporting these steel pipes, this clamp is needed, which can effectively grasp the steel pipes and prevent them from falling. It can be mounted on the carriage of the mast, and a pair of forks or two pairs of forks can be mounted on it. In this way, it becomes a claw that can be flipped up and down. We use a quick interface to connect it to the hydraulic system of the forklift. It has 3 hydraulic cylinders, 2 cylinders for flipping up and down. The angle can be 45 degrees up and 45 degrees down. 1 cylinder for holding the pipes. Its load capacity can reach 3 to 5 tons. With a 3 to 5 tons forklift, it can transport 3 to 5 tons of steel pipes at once. There are great fittings at each joint. We are professional rough-terrain forklift manufacturer. Provide 3 to 10 tons 4-wheel drive forklift and forklifts attachment. Please follow my account and please contact me if you are interested. Thank you for your watching.